another day of Vlogmas. So, Thanksgiving weekend was amazing. Who wants to give me a hug first? Happy Thanksgiving! I love you! And I will have to say, I have never remember having a 4-day weekend for the holiday. I think 4 days is great. I know this is not a good angle, but it's only because I do not, let's try this. I don't have a case on my phone anymore. It has officially broken. Ooh. So I think we are not going into lockdown anymore. It is lunchtime. At work, something interesting is happening. I'm eating a Korean donut, or I should say Korean rice cake. I have 30-minute lunch break. Today I decided to read my book. I'm reading The Silent Patient. It's pretty interesting. I just started it. I'm only a couple pages in. I am having a light but unhealthy lunch. I ate way too much this Thanksgiving. I'm probably gonna work out today. Honestly, I could take a nap right now. I'm gonna use my new elliptical machine. Pretty excited. I will show you how it looks like. I treadmill for 10 minutes now, and we have what? We got 22 calories. 15 minutes. I'll do another 15 minutes of water, and back at 0. Speed not much. Okay, I'm having Chick-Fil-A for dinner. I actually cheated. It was gonna take about, not even an hour. It usually takes an hour for me to get my food delivered. A Monday night primetime dinner. I thought it was gonna take an hour, and I kind of psyched myself out. I made myself 2 mozzarella sticks. Obviously that wasn't enough. Then I made a rice bowl. Right when I finished my rice bowl, my Chick-fil-A came. Now I'm way too full to eat my sandwich. Well, I could consider it like a 3-course meal. I was going to shop online for Cyber Monday deals. I was watching news, and then they said that every minute people are spending $13 million. 13 million. That's crazy. If you think about how many people are in the US, like every minute we're spending $13 million on retail products. Chick-fil-A sauce. I am so full, and no one's gonna eat this but me. Has anyone watched what's it called? It's the one with Vanessa Hudgens, Switched Part 2. I kind of want to finish watching it today. I was going to work out, like I said. May just do some cardio later. Man, I know we had a 4-day weekend, but I am so tired. I'm very tired. You know what? If I don't work out today, I told Mateo I have to do something. I'm gonna do the dishes, edit this vlog. Oh, my little girls. What can I get for you? What can I get for you? So cute. Did you know that? Did you know that you're so cute? What about that one? That one is a troublemaker. He just came for pets. Yeah. Just came for pets. Okay. Oh, she's my girl. This one's my baby. That one over there, I don't know. I don't know about you, Peachy. I know about you. I'm not gonna do you. You. You're the cutest girl in the world. Yeah. I'm a little peachy boo. I'm a little baby. So I'm done filming the first video for Vlogmas. Hope you liked it. And I'm about to go to sleep, but I have a video on YouTube up, and this guy has been on and on talking about poems or song lyrics, and he's been going into depth trying kind of funny. Oh, it's done. Okay, time for me to go to sleep. But I hope you enjoyed Vlogmas from last night, and hope you enjoy this one. Day 2.